It's off filming now, so you can see some people enjoying the train. And to the left, to the right, is a Class 91 going to Leeds. And oddly enough, we got a 190 going to Newark apparently. So I got a chance to catch up on one of these. I was really close shade though, because I didn't know what was going to happen to these trains. This one's going to Aberdeen tonight. There was 3 of them. I am going to go back home about 4 this afternoon, so. And that's what's got on today. I've seen loads of these ones, support for Sunderland, you know. It's a really good one I like. Someone's singing the B meters, fella. There he goes. Right, 43,274. Departs London King's Cross Station for Aberdeen. This train is a 2 o'clock train to Aberdeen. Thanks, Gaia. There she goes. Off route to Aberdeen. Good on YouTube, I should definitely see yesterday's trips. Right, this is not too bad. Bye, God. Take care, mate. $309. 309. Now we move closely. We've got the Class 90, looks like it's going to Northgate, that train is. That's the regular stopper service calling at Stevenage, Peterborough, Grantham and Newark Northgate. That's this regular stopper. And now we've got another Class 90 getting ready to go. This one's got the Leeds meters off Spoiler. And it might get hold up with the Aberdeen one. 91, Arbroath, Leeds. Yeah, it's going to have a hold over the Aberdeen one. But it should not do. I mean, if it clears the Hiya, 227. Well, there goes across 91. And then as that's going away, we're trying to squeeze all the trains into YouTube. There you go, we've got class 90 viewers. This is number 20, one from High from DB. There we go. And that's going to go to Leeds this afternoon. There you go, and it's got another minute to go. This is where I'm doing all the trains in the platform. So we had an Aberdeen on that platform. That was a HST. A train going to Leeds on this platform, and we've got a Newark Northgate train on this platform, on that platform over there. So the power now, the class 90s do continue their journeys up to Leeds, up to Newcastle, but that's on the uncertain time zones. But normally, it's normally behind us, the class 91s. I'm always trying to go on behind the 91s because the 91s are my favourite. They're the best ones I like, and so is the HST. Right. There goes the class 90. Class 90, number 20, departs London King's Cross Station for Newark Northgate. This is the 206 service. The regular stops are going at Stevenage, Peterborough, Grantham and London, and Newark Northgate. And last station, Newark Northgate. Thank you. Nice song, mate. Cool, got 3 whistles of here. Class 90, number 20. There he goes. Yeah, it's going to Newark Northgate. To 203. This is just great. No one into it with film.